woke up today at 7 am. I started my day by making my bed, which always gives me a sense of accomplishment right away. After freshening up, I headed to the gym, which is just a 1 to 2 minutes walk from my hostel. The roads are a little bit empty today because it is too early in the morning, and I just started walking to the gym. And today's workout focused on back, biceps, and a solid cardio session. I spent about 1 hour and 40 minutes at the gym. I didn't record my workout videos because it is my first time vlogging, so feeling a little bit shy. And once I back to the hostel, I boiled 6 eggs, 3 for me, 3 for my friend. These are for lunch since I am skipping breakfast due to intermittent fasting. With my meal prep done, I got ready to head to the office. My hostel is in Madhapur and my office is in Begumpet, and which is around 11 kilometers from my office. I choose this hostel even though it is far because my hostel nearby office are not that much good, and my work hours are from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. I started at 11:30 and I will reach the office by 12 p.m. And my timings are different because my entire team is based in the US. During initial days I felt difficult with the timings, but later with the time I got used to these timings, and we parked our bike and we reached to our floor to the office. I started working by checking my emails and sending a few replies. I have some taken assigned this week, so I have to finish them. So worked with some more concentration. After working for 2.5 hours, I am very hungry, so we came for lunch. For lunch, I had only eggs, some chicken, and Apollo fish. The Apollo fish is so tasty. I want my lunch to be protein rich, so I had no other options left. So I completed my lunch with these things and I went back to the office. Post lunch, I started playing pool game. So this game helps us to remain concentration for the remaining of working hours after having lunch. And luckily, I won this game by hitting this last ball. And after working for few more hours, I came back office. It is raining outside here. I ordered a fruit salad and take it back to the office. And I started again working on my tickets while completing the fruit salad in the side. After working for few more hours, I started playing chess after so many days. But unluckily I didn't won this game. And after some time, I packed my things into my bag. I have some few calls left, but I will attend this from my home. So I kept my laptop charger into my bag and started